Hello, it's Kinninigan. Please share, like, subscribe if you could support the channel. I would appreciate it. Let me give you a little bit more context of why I was so upset yesterday and what is about to happen to every social media platform, from Twitter to YouTube to Rumble, BitChute, Twitch, DLive. What is about to happen? Okay, I found the clip. Um, as far as yesterday, I had made the video about a certain YouTube content creator being pushed in the algorithm. And sure enough, he was in my feed again today, this morning. Um, so here's, you got the one side, the far right. They have their deep state shill content creators. And now Democrats, the other side, are about to pump millions of dollars into getting online, quote unquote, clout. They're gonna want, they want their own Joe Rogan, which is what they said. Now we'll talk about this. Um, so what's about to happen here? I got the. I'll tell you what's about to happen.
Feel that?
Feel what, Mr. Lee?
The way the shit clings to the air, Andy?
Shit clings to the air.
It's already started, my dear good friend.
What started, Mr. Lee?
The shit blizzard.
Yeah, the online shit blizzard is about to begin. I'll pin this as the top comment if you want to watch this video, because this is someone who has some credibility. This is Robert Gruvia Esquire. He's a lawyer and a content creator who he does a lot of analysis on a lot of these activist judges right now in the Supreme Court rulings from a legal standpoint. And he just covered this. I mentioned it in the video yesterday. Democrats throw money at a problem, countering GOP clout online. They say they lost the election because they don't have a Joe Rogan and Republicans were on podcasts. Now, you remember Big Mike just came out with a YouTube channel. They're not going to stop. They have unlimited pockets. So, what's going to happen on YouTube? You're going to get a bunch of content creators being pushed by the algorithm promoting communism, transgenderism, paganism, Luciferianism, all other kinds of shit isms. Yeah, the shit blizzard's coming. Then, on the other side, you're going to have, quote unquote, far right commentators, Mason, Freemason shills, mostly, and other deep state shills, talking about the left side. They're going to be pushed by the algorithm, like that content creator from yesterday, Benny. And then all of a sudden, YouTube channels like me or anyone else who puts out anything worth a shit on YouTube with substance is going to be buried in the algorithm again and shadow banned. This is the same shit they did in 2017 and 2016 on YouTube. Everything go, yeah, all over again. Except it's not going to be Q stuff this time. It's going to be Democrat. It's not going to be hard for them. They got unlimited pockets. All they got to do is throw money at a bunch of idiots and have them go out and buy live streaming equipment. Anyone can do it. But no one wants to hear their shit. What do you, yeah, so I'm kind of safe. Let them go ahead and try to put out some reptilian YouTube channels to compete with me. Good luck. They've already tried. They've even gotten so they've even tried to steal some of my research, but they got caught and they had to acknowledge that they got the information from me, and they hate mentioning my name. Certain big reptilian researchers, ones that go around the UFO conferences. All of a sudden, they started telling people that Alpha Draconians were avian, and my own, like, people that follow my research were calling them out. Like, you got that from Kinninigan. Like, why don't you give them fucking credit for it? Yeah, they got caught. So, but I think you just get the point. Oh, this is going to be a fucking fun summer, isn't it? So I'll pin this as the top comment if you want to watch this video from Robert Garuba. He also he's got, yeah, they want their own Joe Rogan. Read between the lines on that. Joe Rogan talks about everything on his podcast also, and he was a liberal, was a Democrat. They're no, they're gonna fail, just like their video games, just like their fucking movies, their TV shows, everything. But what's gonna happen is the whole platform's gonna be full of shit. That's why I played the clip from Trailer Park Boys about the ship blizzard coming. So it's coming, and real content creators putting anything out of substance. Yeah, but good luck. You're gonna see YouTube channels come out with fucking 100,000 subscriber counts because you could buy subscribers, and that's what these platform. That's what these content creators will do. They don't give a fuck. They're not here for AdSense money. They're not here to put out good information. They're here to steal time from people on the platform and push their far left bullshit, like they say. And then they're going to want a place where they could have their Democrat politicians come on podcasts and talk about shit and try. It's coming. Oh, that's all we fucking need. Yeah, back in 2017, we had the tranny makeup tutorial channels being pushed on the algorithm. Now it's going to be leftist podcasters. Yeah, what the hell are they going to podcast about? Um, are they just going to have podcasts and bitch about Trump and MAGA tards all day? That's all they're going to do. Then no one's going to listen to them. Anyway, enjoy the ship. Enjoy the coming ship blizzard. If you could support the channel, I need some supplies for the coming ship blizzard. Salt. Yeah, we need fucking salt. It melts the fucking snow. Uh, please share, like, subscribe. Don't worry, I'm still working on my I was I'm telling you, it's coming. Yeah. Anyway, any questions or comments, leave them below. God bless and take care.